And hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all safe and sound, and this is the trailer for this awesome Paracord bracelet tutorial. The full tutorial how to create this awesome bracelet you can find on our Patreon page. The link is down below. The bracelet is designed by Andrew from the Androphus, so go ahead and check him on. He has some awesome Paracord projects also. The full tutorial, as I said, you can find on the Patreon. The reason we start the Patreon program is that we can raise funds for this Paracord channel, so we can invest those funds into the better camera, the better microphone, the lighting of these videos. Overall, I want to thank all of you who watch and follow our work here on the YouTube and on the Instagram. It means a lot to us, and it keeps us running this channel almost 4 years now. So thank you all for everything. I wish you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you next time. Bye!